Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a virtual training program with Adobe Connect, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a virtual training program with Adobe Connect, start by logging into your Adobe Connect account. Once logged in, navigate to your Adobe Connect dashboard. Click on Meeting to create a new virtual session. Select Create Meeting to begin setting up your training program. Fill in the required details such as the meeting name and description. Choose a template that suits your training style, or select a blank meeting for complete customization. Next, set the meeting date and time according to your training schedule. Decide whether you want to allow attendees to join before the meeting starts. Customize the meeting room layout based on the content you will present. Upload any necessary documents, presentations, or videos you'll use during the training. Once your materials are uploaded, you can arrange them in the order you'll present them. Consider adding interactive elements like quizzes or polls to engage your audience. Next, configure user permissions for attendees, choosing roles such as presenter or attendee as needed. Make sure to enable audio and video settings to facilitate communication. Use the record feature if you wish to save the session for future access. Before the training, conduct a test session to troubleshoot any technical issues. Invite participants by sending them a meeting link via email. On the day of the training, log into the meeting room early to prepare. Greet attendees as they join, and give a brief overview of the session. As you start the training, utilize the features of Adobe Connect like screen sharing, chat, and breakout rooms. Engage with your audience throughout the training to ensure understanding and participation. After the session, review the recording and any feedback gathered from participants. Finally, analyze the session's effectiveness and make adjustments for your next virtual training program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.